Okay, so when you have kids that are obsessed with sports, you have lots of sports equipment and lots of things happen with it, including when you run your lacrosse stick against the ground a lot and you wear out the back, and that's considered illegal. So you have to get a stopper. So bought these lacrosse tops, right? And they can come in a couple different shapes. But what happens is you just take the old one off and you just put the new one on. And just like that, we have now a lacrosse stick. Whoops, let me make sure it's even. There we go. A lacrosse stick that is now legal to be able to play in a game. And we don't have to worry about this being illegal and harming anyone, because remember, safety is first. Now, JD, how much do you like using your lacrosse stick?
A lot.
And do you use this at the end to hold on to too?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is pretty awesome to have this fixed this easily, right?
Yeah.
And now you can actually use your stick instead of having to borrow a stick, which, does that make a big difference?
Kind of.
Yeah, like you like to use your stick more than borrowing a stick?
Bit, yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think about this? Is this going to be a pretty cool end?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think other people should get them?
Yes.
Super easy
if
way.
They need it.
Yeah, super easy way to keep your equipment up to date, legal, with low cost without having to replace an entire new stick. So I definitely recommend you get some if you need them.